very, very happy and excited and delighted to welcome you all. Thank you so much. This is actually the power of all of your presence, that people want to hear from you the insights from your experiences over the years that you have, understood and learned about leadership and change management. I realize that these 6 questions, they will help us drive change management initiatives in the right direction. What is the reason behind it? Why is it happening? What are the risks which are entailing in this change management process? What kind of a relationship can we have during the process of change with our internal and external customers? What sort of responsibility are we going to showcase or delegate when it comes to this change management process? What kind of resources do we need to give away or we need to impart to the right change drivers within our organization so that it can enable them or facilitate them to take this change forward? And who is going to return us from this change?
It is important to kind of understand why change is necessary, and any leader should have clear understanding about that. It is imperative for an organization's leader to have clarity and are in alignment with their responses to a couple of other questions, right? That what is the need of the change, and will it be evolutionary or revolutionary in nature?
Change management is in our daily lives. I mean, it's starting from whether it's our homes or whether it's our work, whether it's our interpersonal relationships. So any situation which requires either a different response or a different strategy to achieve an objective or an outcome which is strategically important, either for your organization or for yourself or even in your personal lives, that requires certain amount of change management. Aligning everybody to change brings different issues to be handled by different people.
Change is to focus not on the old, but try on building on the new, and that's exactly what had helped. So change is something that happens to us every day. There are reforms every day, there are changes happening to processes and to regulation every day. So it's a complete constant. It's something that we are always open to. I mean, we've tuned to it each time a change has been kind of initiated, be it a restructuring or be it a process change, be it a regulatory change. That's something that is on a daily basis. The best thing is to just adapt to it, right?
The definition of change in today's environment is very different. Today's change is actually all driven by outside forces. So first thing is you need to find a way to explain why this change is very much connected to the big picture which the overall company wants to achieve. And the second thing is you also need to be able to articulate as to how this change is going to be beneficial for all employees of the company.
People now onwards, especially more than earlier times, need to start becoming comfortable with technology. You don't have to be an engineer, but you need to be able to at least know how to use technology, because technology is one factor which is driving change in our lives on a daily basis.
We all need to upskill, and this is the time that we have right now. And I think that we've been deliberately given this time, and I think that we need to capitalize this time at our best, because change is something which is constant, and this time period has really made us realize the same.